Alright, so on today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to change a battery in a Dodge Journey. Alright, let's grab some of the tools we're gonna need. Need a 19 size socket. You'll need an impact. If you don't have the impact, you could use a breaker bar. This is just a torque wrench, torque bar. This is all I have other than my impact. A flathead, or those little plastic, what you call them, pry tools from like Amazon or whoever sells them. I guess an extra battery if you needed it. You're gonna need your battery, that's most important. You'll need at least a 3-ton jack. Weigh a pretty penny. So what you would do is just behind the driver wheel. Just behind the driver wheel, you would locate your pinch welds, which are this like ridge here. So I like to get it up closer to the front, which is about here. And then the jack here has these, like, I don't know what you call these, ridges, I guess, that stick up. There's like 4 of them. I like to get it in between them so that if the car was to ever like rock or something like that, it would never fall off of the jack, because these ridges will hold it in. Then you just want to jack it up. You don't have to go all fast, you want to take your time. Jack stands. Take your tire, put it up under. That's all you do. Basically, for safety reasons, you can keep the jack on there, but I like to put my tire under. So I finally got the terminals off. The terminals are a 10 mil. So use your 10 mil socket. I wouldn't use a deep one, use a shallow. This is your battery that holds this is your brace that holds it down. Once you get this off, all you do is you lift up, you twist it, it should be able to come out. Just move your terminals out the way. They're okay to touch metal to metal now, but once you get your new battery in, make sure your positive doesn't touch any metal on the frame or anywhere else, because it will spark, and you don't want that. It's bad for your battery. All right, just like that, the battery is back in. 10 mil, 13. 10 on the other side. Clip is back in. The brace is back in. Basically, you just do everything in reverse. right, to see if it starts. Lights cut on like usual. I think we're golden. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. I got a lot more videos coming on my Durango. I got a lot more stuff coming. I'm gonna show you everything I've done to it so far. I wish I would have made videos on it, but stay tuned. There's more to find out. Peace.